Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your library. Backup purchases and playlists to iCloud or export them locally so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings and sign out of the current Apple ID under Media and Purchases. This disconnects Apple Music access. Make sure you have the alternate Apple ID username, password, and a valid payment method available, because you'll need to authenticate immediately. This initial sign-out is essential to avoid account conflicts and to prepare your device for the new Apple ID sign-in. Now sign in with the alternate Apple ID under Settings, Media, and Purchases and choose whether to merge or replace local music when prompted. If you use iCloud Music Library, decide carefully. Merging imports music to the new account, while replacing may remove tracks tied to the old ID. Next, check subscription status, individual, family, or Apple One, and enable family sharing if needed. Finally, open the Music app to verify downloaded content and stream access. This ensures your library behaves under the new account. Finish by re-downloading any purchases that didn't carry over and reauthorizing your device for purchased music where required. Once done, test playback, check download integrity, and verify subscription billing under the new Apple ID to avoid unexpected charges. If a track won't play or purchases are missing, sign out, restart the device, and sign back in. This refresh often fixes token and cache issues. If problems persist, remove the duplicate account from Settings and retry authorization, or contact Apple support for account-specific resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.